Ever wondered how to make your comment disappear? Here's how to post a blank comment on Instagram within a few taps. But don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to comment blank on Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open any web browser on your device and search for the blank comment. Tap on the first search result. Here, tap on the copy to the clipboard option. Now open the Instagram app on your device. Navigate to the post where you want to leave a blank comment. Tap the comment icon below the post to open the comment section. Tap the message bar to open the keyboard and paste the blank comment. Tap the arrow button to publish your comment. Your comment will appear blank to others, creating a unique effect. So this is how to comment blank on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.